Welcome to the vlog here. And we're going to use how to use a wood joint Kerg. So the norm we especially need is an impact driver, a drone driver, a joint Kerg, a clamp, an Allen wrench, screws, 12 screws or square screws, and another piece of wood if you want to join each other. So we're going to start off using a clamp. We got to clamp it down like that, and then we got to get our impact driver ready and get this ready. So here's the tip. This is a half. There's 3/4 and a 1 1/2. So you gotta use a half with these, how close you want it. So really, so you gotta get it to this half. So you stick it in there. You gotta use the right. And then I'm going to clamp it. Do it again over here. Do it again over here. Great. And then do it again. Keep doing it until you get 3. Now, do it again. Gotta get this up to the board. So. Now we got 3 joints, 3 pocket hole joints. So now we're going to switch over to impact. So we're going to do this like this. Get a screw. Like this. And then this how it goes. using the Phillips. Now there you go. I got a little extension right there. So. I'd probably do this. So it's not gonna break off because. Alright, see you on the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below.